welcome back. Guten Tag. We are in Munich, and I am at the Hotel Via Yarasin right now. It's a Kempinski hotel. We're on Maximilian Strauss 17. That's where it is if you guys are looking for it. Beautiful area. The hotel is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna see if I can do a hotel review for you too and just do like a quick walk through. But right now we are headed out of here and we're headed over to Hofbrauhaus because, you know, when in Germany, you have to go, right? So yeah, come on, let's go. Show you guys a little bit. Sorry, quick sip. Let me show you guys a little bit about the food that we got. We got the Schweinehaxen, and it comes with a dumpling and some beer gravy. And we also got the sausage platter. Sorry. So let me show you that right now. This looks so good. This like crispy skin on top. And the sausage platter. Okay. So we're gonna eat and I'm gonna report back how this was in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so we had our entrees. We had the Schweinehaxen and it's got this like crispy skin on it. It was to die for. The skin alone was so good, I can't even put into words. It was just crispy, and underneath it, it was a little bit juicy and fatty, but not too fatty, because no. But we also have the sausage platter, which was really tasty. They gave you this mustard. So Benny, put it on here. This mustard was so good. Anyway, having such a great time at the Hofbrauhaus, and it's a definitely must do if you're coming here to Munich. lifetime, so you don't want to miss out on any of the videos coming out soon, okay? Bye for now. Guten Morgen. We are at Munich train station and we are heading out to Venice. So super excited. We are hurrying to catch our train right now as I speak. Okay, I will update you when we get to Venice. Okay, so we just made the train. We are leaving from the Munich station and we are headed to Venice, the St. Lucia station. So, St. Lucia station. So, yeah, we are waiting to depart now. And it should be a great ride, hopefully very scenic. And it's going to take us about, I want to say 6.5 hours to get down there from what the itinerary shows. So, yeah, I'll be showing you guys some footage as we go and obviously give you an update on how the train ride was once we get down to Venice. Okay.